Factors are those numbers which can divide a particular number and get the remainder as 0. For example, let's consider the number 24. Now, what are the factors of 24 which can divide 24 and we can get the answer as 0, or basically all those tables in which you get the multiple 24. So for example 2, then 3, 3 8s are 24, then 4, 4 6s are 24, then 6, 6 4s are 24, then we have 8, 8 3s are 24, then we have 12, and then at the end we have 24 itself. So all these numbers are the factors of 24. Means if you multiply certain number with another number, you will get the number 24. So for example, I can write 24 is equal to 2 into 12, or I can write 24 is equal to 3 into 8, or I can write 24 is equal to 4 into 6, and so on. So basically they are known as the factors of 24. Means when you multiply them, you get 24. Also we know something as prime factors. Now what are prime factors? Prime factors are the prime numbers which are factors of a certain number. So for example, the prime factors of 24. So let's first take the composite factors of 24. Let's take 2 into 12. 2 into 12 gives us 24. Now 2 we know is a prime factor. This number we can split up into prime factors, prime numbers. So let's do this. 2 into 12 we can write as 2 6s. Then again we can write this 2 2s here, and this 6 we can split up as 2 3s. Can you split up the numbers further? No, because all these numbers are now prime numbers, and these numbers when you multiply you get number 24. Therefore they are known as prime factors of 24. So we know what are prime factors or factors. So similarly, same thing we are going to find out in algebraic expressions. So now in this chapter we are going to find out factors of algebraic expressions. So for example, last year you must have done sums like 4xy plus 6x. You have to find out the factors of this. So how you used to solve these sums in the last year? For example, you will see what is common in this two. I can see a x and x is common. And then I can see 4 and 6, two numbers in which you'll have some common factors. Like 4 is what? 2 into 2, and 6 is 2 into 3. So in a 6 you have a 2, and in 4 also you have 1 2, which both will be common. Okay, in 4 you have 2 2s, and in 6 you have 1 2 and a 3. So you have 2 and 2 common in both. So 4 में और 6 में common क्या है, कौन सा factor है? 2. तो 2 and this x which is common in this term and this term will bring it out. So what will remain inside the bracket? क्या बचेगा यहाँ पे? Another 2 and a y. So 2y will remain inside, and यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा? Only 3, because x हम लोगों ने बाहर लिया, और यहाँ से 2 also we took it out. So only 3 will remain inside. So we have solved this kind of sums last year where we get this factors. So यहाँ पे you can see that 2 is multiplying with x, x is multiplying with this bracket. So these three numbers, मतलब 2, x and this bracket, these three numbers are multiplying with each other to get number 4xy plus 6x. So यहाँ पे ये algebraic expression है, this is an algebraic expression, and ये इसके factors है. So this 2x into 2y plus 3, these are the factors of algebraic expression 4xy plus 6x. So what we learn here is that not only numbers have factors, but even algebraic expressions have factors. मतलब यहाँ पे मैंने अगर 2x से मल्टीप्लाई किया और ये 2x इस ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो मुझे ये आंसर मिलेगा. जैसे यहाँ पे when I multiply 2 with 2, again with 2 and then with 3, I get number 24. So this all are prime factors of 24. Similarly, I multiply 2 with x and this with 2y plus 3, then I get this number, this as the answer. So therefore they are factors of this algebraic expressions. Okay, so now in this chapter we are going to study how to find the factors of quadratic algebraic expressions. For example, what is quadratic term? Now this kind of sums that you studied last year, these were binomials. Now this year we will be studying trinomials. For example, x square plus 5x plus 6, if this kind of sum is there. Okay, this year you are going to find out the factors of algebraic expression with 3 terms, and at least one term will be having the highest index as 2. Okay, so when you have one term having highest index as 2, such algebraic expressions are known as quadratic equations. So we are going to study how to find out the factors of such an expression. तो लास्ट ईयर हम लोगों ने इस नंबर के फैक्टर्स, ऐसे नंबर्स के फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट किए. नाउ दिस ईयर हम लोग 3 टर्म्स वाले अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन के फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ओके